Busy day. Watching. Where were you?
Yeah, I watched the practice, the first two races at Ross's place, Secret Garden, on Arago's Leap. Yeah, really good. Impressive stuff. Love the 250 race. I mean, just to hear him coming down Bray Hill, past, crisp, you know, smell. Took me back 23 years ago when I won my first DT. Yeah, it's 650 race, whatever, junior, whatever it's called. Yeah, tight race. Shame for the local boy who broke down, I think, on the last lap, but good ding dong with them boys. And then jumped in the car and we went round to the railway pub at Union Mills. So yeah, just on the top looking down in the race I was supposed to be in. So I had a face like a slapped ass for a bit, and I had to listen to the boys set off, and yeah, I was really upset because, well, I was upset, but it's the conditions. It's so rare you get a chance to ride around here this time of year, and sun was in the perfect position, the road temperature was perfect, the conditions, the light, everything, and them boys super enjoying themselves. Congratulations to Lee Johnson, Stefano Benetti had my tank on, Valenti my tank, otherwise we would have had to stop for fuel. So I said you can lend it for 500 quid, but I'll see if I'll get me 500 quid. But, yeah, a great day, and just having a beer in the fan zone. Yeah, I'm not rushing off. Maisie's on holiday. We love it over here. We'll do something tomorrow if the weather's good, dip down the beach or something. But yeah, I'm excited for the big race on. Well, two big races on Monday. So to watch Michael wrestle that big Suzuki round and some of the other blokes on the Kawasaki's, really special. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to watch yet, but I'm going to be in the head somewhere with a radio and a beer to watch some good close racing. That's just the winner just walked past there. What does it feel like to win the 500?
How many times have you won it now? Like 4 or 5?
Three. I just said, when I saw him before I gave him a colours, I just know what it's like to be out there riding in them conditions. Lovely race to win, No, it's under the radar, nobody really cares. But it has a rider. You're still having a go. And yeah, fair play to you, kid.
Cheers, guys.